In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your tensioner pulley on your Ford Taurus. It's located under the hood on the passenger side. I'm using a 15mm wrench to loosen my tensioner. You're going to slide it towards the front of the car, and then you're going to take your belt off the idler pulley. Once you've accomplished that, you're going to let it go back. Be careful of your fingers. All right. So now I'm just going to push this down and get it out of our way, because we're not taking the belt completely off if we don't need to. It's a good time to inspect your belt, make sure it looks good. All right, I'm using a 15mm ratchet wrench, and I'm gonna loosen up our bolt for our idler pulley. All right, so just take it all with you when you take it out, bolt and all. I'm going to use a T50 Torx bit, and we are going to loosen our tensioner pulley bolt. All right. Gonna have to take the whole thing out with the bolt in it. All right, so your new tensioner pulley comes with a couple bolt options, just for other vehicles or applications. So we're gonna choose this one because the thread is the same as the old bolt, this one. The other tensioner has a different shape here, which is why this bolt is longer, but the new bolt, as long as the threads are the same and the same amount of threads, you should be fine. All right, so we're just going to feed it down, line up our bolt, make sure it's in the right spot, having the tensioner down. You don't want to put it over by the idler pulley. You can start your bolt in by hand. All right, so now we can use a 13mm socket and tighten up our bolt. I'm going to be torquing that. So now we're going to torque this to 18 foot-pounds. We can place it inside where the bolt goes. Going to want to tighten that hand tight at first. All right, now that you have that hand tight, you can tighten it with your wrench, or whatever you can get in there. There's no specific torque spec for this idler pulley, so just hand tighten, and then snug it down 1/4 of a turn after you've tightened it. I'm using my own belt diagram that I've created for myself to reinstall our belt. All right, I'm getting my 15mm wrench on there. You can either put a pole or another wrench if you need to. Once you get your tensioner pulled back, you can slide it on that alternator. And then on your idler pulley, make sure everything's on, and let go. All right, so now you're going to start your vehicle. Make sure everything's running good and sounds good. Make sure the belt isn't squeaking. Everything sounds good, then you can take it for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.